Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Copycat Ram. This is Ram and today I have brought another video for you. In this video we will discuss in details about React's props that is called key. So without any further delays, let's begin. In React, whenever it has come about printing list of data, then we must have used map methods. And I am sure you have seen a warning thrown by React in console saying that each child in the list should have a unique key props. And here I am sure again that we have solved this problem just by adding props to the list item and have given index as a value. That's it. Warning gone. Now the question is that is it good idea to use index as a key? No. If your answer is no, congratulations, your answer is right. And those who have answered it as yes, congratulations, you are right too. Confused? To clear this confusion, let us go with the definition of key. Key tell React which array items each component corresponds to, so that it can match them up later. This becomes important if your array items can move up and down, get inserted or get deleted. In simple way, you can say that key acts as an identifier for items in array. It helps recognize React to check whether which items or DOM need to be changed or updated. Key must be unique among siblings. It can be a number or a string or a combination of number and string. Key must not change, should not be generated while rendering. Now you might have a question that then using index as key is not going to create a problem because maps created index will be always unique. To understand this, let me give you another example. Imagine that files on your desktop didn't have any names. Instead, you refer them by their order number, like first file, the second file, etc. But once you delete a file, it would get confusing. The second file will become the first file, the third file will become the second file. So the same problem can be happen with index if your listing get updated due to some action like sorting, deleting. In that case, you have to update the array. Let's suppose that you have deleted this second item. So now the index position of 2 will be given to the third items because the second item have been removed and the third item is now the second, and the fourth is now third. Remember the examples, files without name on your desktop. So if listing is simple and has no side effects like sorting, deleting or adding, then you may go with the index. Else it is recommended to use pre-generated unique ID that you are receiving while fetching data from server. Or if you are generating locally, it is recommended to use plugin like UUID. React always try to optimize code in best so that you do not have to render all components for every single side effects. It has been found that rendering takes longer time when it comes for printing a long listing. To solve the problem, React has introduced the key props that work as an identifier for list items and only update the affected item from the list instead of updating the whole item. I hope that I was able to deliver important details about key props. If you found this video informative, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.